This razor is super sharp, and I shave everywhere. Everywhere. Obsessed.
1 second. You can stay. I'm gonna put her behind me. We switch. Hey Vanity Planet, what's poppin', what it is, and what's up? So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. As you can see, I'm in my bathroom. I have my Billie Razors behind me and I'm going to be testing them out today because I bought them with my own money and then I was like, wait, this is a popular brand. It's new, it's fun and fresh. The packaging, sis. I also have been avoiding shaving my legs for the last 2 months. It's been a while, but like I have a lot of leg hair going on, like a lot. Like it hasn't been this bad in a long time. And I also want to try it on my underarms and oh, I'm sorry for touching the mic. I also want to try it on my underarms and just see if it works. That's why I'm wearing a little tank top because I don't really like tank tops, but here we are. It actually came in this box and it was like kind of hard to open for me, but then I had to figure it out that there was some tape holding it together. But yeah, so the box looks like this. And then inside the box is the bag. The bag, hold on. Inside the bag comes the actual razor. Ooh, okay, the bag wants to run away from me. So inside the actual bag comes the razor. This is the box right here. So it says right there the website and like that it's recyclable, I guess. I'm not sure. Oh, product review 101. So the actual razor comes just like, ooh, all right, okay. The actual razor comes just like this in this little box. It's not like secured or anything, so it can fall out. And then so it has this on the back and it just says the New Body brand and so long prickles. Aw, that's the simple packaging. I like this a lot. It's really pretty. For me, she's already that girl, like just off of this. Next in the package, I'm seeing just this little pamphlet. I'm gonna read it really quick. Oh, it's just pretty much like, it's like detailing how to use the thing that sticks into the wall, that they're like toxin free, and yeah, it's basically just explaining like razors, but I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory. So next we have the Sudsy body wash, and it actually says on the back that it's creamy enough to shave with. Like this is not gonna shave my legs. So I'm gonna try this on my underarms and see if it works. I'm gonna like show you guys how much hair I have under my underarms right now because it's kind of bad, but I'm telling you, I don't wear tank tops. Like what's the point of hitting my underarms if I don't wear tank tops? And then this is the holder. This is what the bag looks like for the holder. And it's like a holder for your handle. It's magical. And then on the back, it has like just this little thing. I guess it's like the shape. It comes with this, which is backup sticky stuff. And this is for your, it says for your magnetic holder. Use on a clean, dry surface. So the actual holder looks like this. That's the sticky stuff. And this is the magnet where the razor sits. Last but not least, this is the second razor cartridge that they included in the pack. I got like the shaver starter kit. So this is the starter kit, and then you can set how many times a month or how often you want to get the razors in the mail. I'm excited to try these just because I want to see if they work, because if they do, then I guess I'm gonna have to keep ordering them. I am wearing like shorts, so if you thought you was gonna see something today, you're not. So first things first, I'm gonna set up the sticky thing. So it doesn't come with any instructions by itself. Attaching your holder. Remove plastic from power putty. Apply holder to a clean, dry surface and press firmly into place. I'm gonna go ahead and take off that little plastic from the putty. It doesn't feel sticky, but I guess it's like be different. So I already have this little holder thing right here, and it holds my little scrubby things for my body. So I'm gonna place my razor thing right next to it. I don't know which way this goes. My sister has one, so I'm looking at hers, and hers is facing like this. Ooh, okay, sis. So this is what the inside of the box looks like, if you were wondering. So, I guess, oh. See, that's what I be talking about. This is it, this is that shit. Comparing it to like a hair tie, that's the size of the magnet, and then the actual magnet just sticks on like that. It's a very gentle magnet. It's not like heavy duty. You can't just go like that. Actually, okay, I guess you can, but you can't just be like, you know, you have to be like, boom, and then it's on there. Period. To shave, I'm going to start with my underarms just so I can test out the body wash. I know they sent this to me so that I will be tempted to buy it, and if it's good, I might be tempted to buy it, but I actually was planning, and I already set this up in the shower, I was planning to shave with 100% organic coconut oil because coconut oil is smooth, good for the skin, there's no scent, it's just good. It's just good. This was not gonna cover my legs. I look like I've been hibernating, so it's gonna be a nice little change to have shaved legs. Yeah, Miss Corona has had me inside, so what do I need to shave my legs for? This is all the information on it. So I'm gonna open it and smell it. Ooh, that smells good. So it's definitely like a very body wash, like consistency. Like this is exactly what reminds me of body wash when I think body wash, like liquid body wash. It feels so weird being in the shower with clothes on. I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys a before of my armpits, not because I want to expose myself, but because we need to see if this works. So these are my armpits before. It's not that bad, like it's really not, but I have not shaved in so long. Like the hairs are so long that you can like literally pull at them. So that's what my armpits look like right now, and I'll insert a clip of the ad that I saw that made me kind of want to buy them, also because I had just gotten paid, so I was like, Instagram know what they're doing.
In one swoop, everything was gone. It's like some kind of witchcraft. This razor is super sharp, and I shave everywhere. Obsessed.
So yes, the ad that I saw, the girl was shaving through like the thickest underarm hair, and I was like, let's see what this is. So I'm gonna take this shave gel, shower gel, and since it's like a shower gel, yeah, exactly, I'm expecting it to like lather. So it's really smooth, like it's a really soft product. It smells so good. So I'm gonna go ahead like lather that in a circle just everywhere there's hair. This is the razor. It has 5 blades. It has a button right here that you push up and you can eject the razor. Super safe ejection. Like you really have to want to eject this razor for it to come out. Okay, sis. I'm always a little bit skeptical of 5-blade razors because what happens is the hair that, at least on my body, it's a little coarse, so it gets stuck in the razors and it's like hard to rinse out when you go to rinse the razor. That was pretty fast. I think I got all the hair, but I'm gonna do like one more swipe. That happens with every razor, so I'm not judging based off that. It glides really smoothly on the skin, like it doesn't feel like I'm really like going in. So that's what my underarms look like right after shaving. Just like that. I'm trying to get every single like crevice and everything. So right away after I rinsed, my skin feels really smooth, like just like that. It just feels really smooth. The darkness under my arms, like that's just being a woman of color, that's just gonna happen. But My skin does feel really good. So I just shaved the other arm and this is what it's looking like. My skin feels really smooth and it doesn't look dark in real life at all. So what I'm gonna do is actually show you guys how my underarm looks in the sun so you can see how I see it when I'm shaving, because I see it and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wear a tank top for the rest of the week. So immediately after shaving, this is what my underarm looks like. So I set my camera up right here just so you can see both underarms in the sunlight. The sunlight wants to fade, but this is still really good lighting. So this is my underarm, my right underarm right after shaving, and this is my left underarm right after shaving. So they look pretty good. I've always had that kind of like darkness, but that's just what happens, you know, because, you know, my skin has some melanin in it, so it does that. Okay, so now that I've showed you guys my underarms and how it performed on my underarms, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at my legs. So they're pretty hairy right now, and I'm really excited to try these razors on my legs, see if they work, because if they do, then I have to keep ordering them because I want smooth legs. Right now, they are pretty hairy. Like, there's no non-hairy part of my leg right now. Not because I want to expose myself, but because we're trying to get a real review. So I hope you can see that. You can I hope so that you can see the difference when I shave. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my coconut oil and go ahead and start shaving this leg, and I'm gonna shave it like here, like outside the shower so that you guys can see. And then I'm gonna continue and do a before and after and like a half and half kind of comparison of both my legs. And then I'm gonna shave all my legs, show you guys, and then, you know, give my final review. So I have my coconut oil in this little squeeze bottle. This is like for food service, but I got this from the Dollar Tree. Girl, the Dollar Tree is that girl, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this coconut oil in my palm. It's already melted because it's been sitting at the windowsill, but that's just how coconut oil looks when it runs down your hand and your skin. And I'm just gonna go ahead and rub that on my leg. Some people like to shave with conditioner. You pick. So first impressions on just like the first swipe, that was a really good clean shave, because how the first swipe goes is how the rest of your leg is going to basically shave with that razor. Because if the razor is kind of like struggling to pick up hair and you have to go back in that same line, then the razor is not going to do you the justice. It's going to take forever to shave. So I'm really happy about that and the way the first shave went. I'm going to go ahead and shave the rest of the front of my leg, and then I will be back to show you guys a before and after comparison. So far, so good. My legs are looking really good. If you can see that like line of demarcation, my legs are really smooth right now. Really happy about that. My legs afterwards, first impressions, very smooth. I'm very impressed. It just nipped it right at the bud. Like, my legs are actually smooth. Like, I can't even, you know? So that's how my leg is looking. Period. And that's like what the Billie did. It shaved all that leg hair off. I'm like a different color, I think, right now. Yeah. Let me be the first to tell you that it is the worst idea to shave your legs in the middle of the day and your bathroom faces the sun. So I have finished shaving. I'm gonna show you guys an up close and personal of my legs. I did the best I could. Honestly, after a while, I was just kind of like blindly like going ham on my legs, but both of them came out smooth. So yeah. So these are my legs. After shaving, they look and feel really good, really moisturized. I will say that despite using coconut oil to shave, the razor was extremely moisturizing to shave with, and it didn't feel as harsh as normal razors normally would. Alright y'all, so I'm back in my room and it's been a couple hours since I shaved my legs. So my overall review of, my My overall review of the razor is that it's really good quality and it's not that expensive. Personally, I think that it was not a waste of money. I'm not sure if I'm going to renew my subscription, but I do know that now that I have it, definitely going to use it. Overall, it's a good concept because they have been coming out with a lot of subscription boxes and like you can customize, and you know, people love having options. So they did a really good job on coming up with the concept and being one of the first people to do it for women. So kudos to them. Genius business plan, okay? Because now I have this razor that has this thing that magnetizes onto the wall, and it's a good quality razor, and they said they're gonna send me a bunch of refills whenever I ask for them, and so they kind of get you hooked with this kit, so like they know what they're doing. I do think it's overhyped, but everything is on social media, especially when it's big and it's being pushed at you every single corner. There was YouTube reviews going crazy. There was a lot of Instagram, like they just were pumping my Instagram full of these ads, and they got lucky and I actually bought it because I saw the ad and I was like, I'll try it. All right guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like my face, if you like the sound of my voice, if you hate me, if you like my little fro moment that I have going on here. It's looking real compressed right now, but we're gonna talk about that, okay? You can also subscribe by clicking right here somewhere. Right here, there should be a subscribe button somewhere. You can hit it. It's a red button. Join the family. Join the Vanity Planet. Don't forget to check out my business Instagram, Let's Cosmetics. I make lip gloss, I have highlighter. I might start selling lashes. I keep saying this, but until I buy the lashes and put them on the website, I don't have lashes. But use code 10OFF for 10% off your order. I see no issue. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, I really need like a better outro. Like this is just